Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup without a blender. First, gather about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. Wash your tomatoes thoroughly, then dice them into small, manageable pieces. Next, finely chop your onion and mince the garlic. These small cuts are absolutely key to achieving a wonderfully smooth texture without needing any special equipment. Now, in a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent, about 5 minutes. Then, toss in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in your diced tomatoes and 1 cup of vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes, allowing the tomatoes to break down. Once the tomatoes are very soft, it's time to achieve that smooth consistency. Using a potato masher or even a sturdy fork, gently press and crush the tomatoes directly in the pot. Continue mashing until most of the larger chunks are gone. Next, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream for a richer, velvety texture. Finally, season with fresh basil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt, and black pepper to taste. Your delicious, no-blender tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with some fresh croutons, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, or a swirl of extra cream. This recipe yields approximately 4 generous servings, perfect for a cozy meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, comforting soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.